Okay, so probability simulations. So I'm going to try recording notes again since we haven't done that for a while. And you're going to need a graphing calculator today, and we're going to write a program on your graphing calculator today to do a probability simulation. So we're going to find probabilities. Probabilities using a simulation. Shh. There we go. All right. So we'd like to, I'm going to give you this scenario of this game these people are going to play. And we've got Andy. Andy is going to get two random numbers between 1 and 5, and he gets to add those two. So, two random digits between, two E's, 1 and 5. And he's going to sum those. Now, Betty only gets one number, so she gets one random digit between 1 and 10. She didn't get to sum hers. And then let's see, Andy's going to win if his number's bigger. Betty's going to win if her number's bigger. So we'll just say the winner is the bigger number. So I'd like to figure out what the probability is that Andy wins. Okay, so we're going to, yes sir. Oh no, it is 1 and 5 inclusive. Yeah. So we can and should be able to, probably by the end of chapter 6, be able to figure out the probability that Andy wins or Betty wins. But if we start questioning our ability to do probability, we can do a simulation. And if we simulate many repetitions, we should be able to figure out pretty close the probability of Andy or Betty winning. So we're gonna write a program on our calculator to simulate this game. So let's get your calculator out. You push the program button on your calculator, and you get this screen that says EXEC, Edit, and New. Now you may already have some programs on your calculator. Yes, you do. All right. So we're going to go over to New. So arrow over to New. Come on. Create new. Now it did this last period. Stop! Stop! I don't know what it's doing. Fine enter here. Slap it? Okay. Let me try this again. Program. You think I should hit cosine on it? All right. All right. Stop. Edit. Oh, I get what it's doing. All right. Enter. Okay. What do you want to call your program? Cosine? All right, you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call mine A. Come on. It just did it one time. Good. Okay. The A is over the math key. You know, just pick a letter, call it whatever you want. I called it Sim last period. This period I'm just calling it A. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to simulate first Andy. Andy gets one number between 1 and 5. So let's go pick a number for a random number for Andy between 1 and 5. So I go math, probability, oh no, when it's doing it again. Don't stop this. You really? What? Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Ugh. Okay. I'm going to have to use the keyboard, I think. I was trying to keep from having to use the keyboard. So hang on. I can do this. Okay. All right. Let me try this again. Shh. All right. Did you get yours in? All right. Math. Probability. Come on. Oh no, I think it just always is going to run this way. Number 5. All right, he gets a number between 1 and 5, so I type 1, comma 5, and we're going to do this simulation 200 times. So I'm going to just type 200. Okay. Now, I'm not just going to keep it there because I need to save these 200 times I have Andy pick a number. So I'm going to have him store this into a list. I'm going to tell the calculator to store this into a list. The store key is this STO, and it doesn't write STO on the screen. It just makes that arrow. But that's the key we're looking for. And let's just put this in list 1. Okay? So that little arrow there is the STO key, which is over next to the 1. Okay? Sure, let's put in list 1. Why not? Yeah, hit enter. All right, Andy gets 2 numbers between 1 and 5. So let's do this again and put his second number in list 2. So math, probability, number 5. Okay. 1, comma 5, comma 200. And store this into list 2. Okay. Now, what did Andy get to do with his numbers? He got to add them. So let's do list 1 plus list 2, and we'll put it somewhere. So list 1 plus list 2. Jesus. Excuse me. There we go. All right, where do you want to put this? List 3? Okay, let's here store list 3. Okay. All right, so there's Andy. His 2 numbers added together are now in list 3. Let's do Betty. She just gets a random number between 1 and 10, and let's just throw that into list 4. So math, probability. Come on.